Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find the best video editing software for Windows PC. So the first thing on the list would be, I know you're familiar with CapCut, and it is actually a very easy to use and helpful tool. Right now I have CapCut Pro. And by the way guys, the difference between CapCut Pro and CapCut will be just the features, or the filters or effects. And trust me, regarding CapCut free trial, there are a lot of things to do for it as well. So I just only purchased the CapCut Pro for the specific features, but for the free trial, you'll have fun with it. Anyway, so the first thing I want you to teach you about CapCut is that how to access it. So just to go any tab, like this one, type in CapCut. And then the first thing you'll see, click on it and you should be right here. So once you're in CapCut, the first thing you'll notice is there are some things to look at on the left side. We have templates, recent drafts, share and schedule, and magic tools. The first thing that's new here, there's a bar that to check what's new. So CapCut is in Shopify right now, Dropbox, and Google Drive. Basically, the first thing that I've noticed that is actually recently added in CapCut is the spaces. So you can add some spaces. For example, this is my current space. I can create a new one on this option right here. However, with this one, you can add some 30 members on your space. So I'm not going to create a new one. I'm just going to tell you how it works. Let's start creating a project. Just a browsing option on how CapCut works. So this should be the editing platform of CapCut. I have some recently projects right here. I think I'm going to use this guy right here. So I have a stock video, as you can see right there, and it's pretty user-friendly. The first thing you might notice is the time frame. You can schedule this one or adjust it, by the way. If you don't want to be so huge on the side right there, no problem at all. So the backgrounds right here, you can change the background color, make it transparent, make it blur. Pretty awesome tool. And by the way, you can animate here. You can change the speed. For example, you want to speed up your video. As you can see right there, it's pretty sped up. Since it's already 9 times, it's pretty fast. So by the way, here's the things that I want to let you know regarding CapCut. Is regarding the effects and transitions, also filters. Given that if you only have the free trial, CapCut gives you a wide range of variety regarding the filters, the effects, and also the transitions. Given that I'm currently having CapCut Pro, so you're seeing a lot here, but trust me, it's already a lot of choices even if you're just using the free trial. One more thing to take note about CapCut is caption. It has an option to give you auto captions. You heard me right. If you simply click on auto captions right there, choose the language and choose generate, you'll have your video transcribed for you automatically for free. You heard me right. This feature right here is specifically free for CapCut. How awesome is that, right? So that is one of the things that's pretty awesome in CapCut. And one more thing that's pretty awesome is the templates. So these are the most trending templates right now for CapCut because it is co-sync, if I'm not mistaken. The owner of CapCut and TikTok is the same, so whatever is trending right now in TikTok is the same as the one trending in CapCut. So you can use it for your TikTok videos, YouTube shorts, and the works. And by the way guys, the only thing or the only disclaimer I can give you in CapCut is that there are some countries that CapCut is not available. So for that reason, if your country is not allowing you to use CapCut, I have an alternative for you. It's going to be called Filmora. So for Filmora, actually I'm currently using this one. It's basically much like CapCut, but it's advanced in a much more better way. It is free to use and there is a Filmora Pro version also. So how it looks like inside, it should be like this. So basically it's going to be like this, and then you're going to have some free audio, free titles, free transitions, and elements, and the works. So basically add your media here, you can edit the timeline as you see fit, and basically that's it. It's much like CapCut in a way, so this is an alternative for you guys. For some reason, CapCut is not available in your country. So let's go back to CapCut. And by the way, for CapCut, the pricing for now is I think $7, let me just check. So for the paid subscription, the Canva, or sorry about that, the CapCut Pro is going to be $7.99 per month. It is also possible to subscribe for a single month or annual subscription of $54.99. If you don't want the recurring payment or recurring version of CapCut, you can just pay $9.99 or $9.99 single payment for a month. Now let's talk about the next editing software for you. We're gonna call it DaVinci Resolve 19, or rather DaVinci Resolve. I was using DaVinci Resolve 15 before I started using CapCut or Filmora. Anyway, for the pricing on DaVinci Resolve would be $295. And if I'm not mistaken, this is a one-time payment. In comparison with the features available for the free trial and the paid subscription, there are very minimal uses for the free trial. So if you want to use DaVinci Resolve to the full extent, I suggest using the paid subscription. It's the one-time payment anyway. So what stands out in DaVinci Resolve in comparison with Filmora and CapCut? So the major thing you can see this one is the workflow. So if I open Filmora here, let me just lessen it. So in comparison with Filmora, DaVinci has the pages in here where you can cut, edit, change the lighting, add your timeline and such. It should be right here around somewhere, as you can see, all-in-one solution for post-production. So you can add your media, you can cut, you can edit, fusion, color, and fairlight, and of course deliver or export. Basically, you don't have one timeline altogether. It is divided into sections or section pages as they call it. So you can add your media on the first part, cut them on the second part, edit them on the third part, add some finesse, some magic, some filters on the fusion part or the fourth part, and the fifth section or the fifth page will be color grading. Last one is Fairlight. Fairlight is a fairly awesome software. It is literally a software where you can enhance your audio, enhance the immersive 3D audio formats, and of course, you can increase the 3D or rather background noise reduction. And of course, the media and delivery is the last part where you can check for final checking, add some more information, or just a final platform or final process before you export. One more thing, I noticed that I said color, right? Yes, you can color grade here, just to reiterate. So that being said, DaVinci Resolve or DaVinci Resolve 19 is in comparison with Photoshop. So you're noticing the clips right here, right? Some of them are from Marvel, some of them are from Hollywood or any other movies. So I'm showing you this one to give you that these are edited in DaVinci Resolve. You heard me right. They may not be fully used in DaVinci Resolve, but they were once finished or color graded in DaVinci Resolve Black Design. Take note about that one to know how powerful this tool is. One more thing to take note of is, again, the pricing. Just to reiterate, it's a one-time payment. So before we end this video, I just want to let you know what's new regarding DaVinci Resolve, just to keep you updated. I'm gonna go to this tab right here. So fairly new in DaVinci Resolve will be cloud collaboration. So you can store any media you want in your cloud and just open it up in DaVinci Resolve, because they have now in sync, or they're now you can collab with cloud collaboration. One more thing, the studio licenses is much better now. Blackmagic proxy generator is much awesome. And camera sync, take note, I'm gonna say it again. Camera sync is now better in DaVinci Resolve. There is camera tracking, there's camera synchronization in your media. How awesome is that, right? So just to add up, these are the things that are new in DaVinci Resolve or Resolve. Color, you can add Ultra NR or noise reduction as I've mentioned earlier, film look creator, and so much more. So I'm not gonna go here one by one, I'm just gonna browse them so you guys can see it. And by the way guys, these are the two features, plus one of course regarding the Filmora as an alternative in CapCut, the softwares for your editing usage. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.